In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to reset the Epson L8058 maintenance box using a chip resetter.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The maintenance box in Epson L8058 collects waste ink during cleaning and printing. When the chip reaches its limit, the printer stops working and shows a maintenance box error. First, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable from the printer. Now you can easily remove the maintenance box. On the maintenance box, you can see a chip that stores the usage memory. When this memory becomes full, the printer stops working and shows an error. You can reset this chip using a chip resetter, or you can replace it with a new one. These chips are easy to remove from the maintenance box body. Well, pay attention. Each printer has its own specific code for its maintenance box. For Epson L8050 and L8058, the maintenance box code is C9345. You can easily buy this chip resetter or its chips online from Alibaba and Amazon. This chip resetter has two input ports, one Type-C and the other Galaxy, USB. You only need to supply power to one of them, either using a laptop or a mobile charger. The reset process is very simple. You just need to correctly align the pins of the chip resetter with the maintenance box chip and hold it in place until the light turns green. Doing it once is enough, but I did it twice so you can clearly see the process. Now the process is complete. We put the maintenance box back into the printer and then turn the printer on. I hope this tutorial helped you to reset your Epson L8058 maintenance box easily using a chip resetter. If it worked for you, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell for more useful printer repair tutorials. Thank you for watching.